Hello, dear students. We are learning in the chapter solutions. The last class we learned more features of the solutions and different type of solutions we learned. We are seeing some experiments and all. Okay, in this chapter we are seeing some mixtures. Okay, in our nature, in our daily life also, we can see a lot of type of mixtures. Mixtures means there are some more than one substances are presenting. The case of salt water, sugar solutions, and etc. like steel, brass, gold. We can see a lot of solutions in our daily life. We can classify these solutions, these mixtures as homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. That means there are different type of mixtures are there, that is homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. We can classify the mixtures as homogeneous mixture and a heterogeneous mixture. Okay, the first one is homogeneous mixture. In this homogeneous mixture, we can see that in this homogeneous mixture, we can see that there is a uniform composition. A uniform composition of particles are presenting in this homogeneous mixture. If you are looking salt water, what we can see? Can you separate the salt and water? Yes, we cannot separate the salt and water separately. Okay, that mixed well. If the salt is adding to water, that mixed well. We cannot separate, and also we cannot say the salt particles in water. In the case of vinegar, we can see anything in that vinegar solution. We cannot see any particles in vinegar now, because the particles are dispersed in that solvent. Okay, so the case of homogeneous mixture, a uniform composition of the solution is presenting in that, and also the mixture have only one phase. The mixture have only one phase. That means the part of sample with a uniform composition, and also the solution have the mixture have a uniform properties, the same properties. If you are taking after adding salt and water, if you are taking salt water in two glasses, the two glasses we can say the same properties of the salt water. Okay, while changing in the while changing in the glass, the properties of the salt water is not differently. The salt water have same properties if it taken in any glass or any other systems. Okay, so we can say that there is a uniform composition of the particles in homogeneous mixture, and the particle size of the homogeneous mixture is very small. We cannot see and we cannot separate the particles. Okay, that particles are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. The particles are evenly distributed throughout the mixtures. We cannot separate the particles, and the particle size is very small. Okay, the case of we can see a lot of examples like salt water solution, iodine solution, vinegar, stainless steel. Do you know what is stainless steel? The stainless steel is a alloy, the mixture of iron, chromium and nickel. These three mixtures are presenting in stainless steel. In our daily life, we are using stainless steel as in our home, in our kitchen. We can see the stainless steel are like you can see the kitchen tools like spoons and that particles. We can see the stainless steel. Stainless steel is a alloy, that's a mixture of iron, chromium and nickel. Okay, the alloys are homogeneous mixtures. The alloys are homogeneous mixture. Do you know any other alloys? Okay, the gold is an alloy. Gold and also brass. There are different type of alloys are presenting. These alloys are homogeneous mixture only. Okay. The second type of mixture is heterogeneous mixture. What is heterogeneous mixture? Do you have any idea? Can you tell any example for this heterogeneous mixtures? Okay, the heterogeneous mixtures means the particles are presenting in heterogeneous mixtures are not uniformly distributed. Okay, the particles are presenting in heterogeneous mixtures are not uniformly distributed. We can see the example of salt water and pepper. Salt and pepper, not salt water, it is only salt. The case of salt and pepper, what we can observe, if you take a salt and pepper separately and mix together, is that mixed well? The salt and pepper mix well, or we can separate that? Can you doing that experiment in your home? Okay, in this case, the salt and pepper, if we are mixing this together, we can separate easily. We can separate the salt and pepper easily. Okay, so that's a heterogeneous mixture. That means the particles presenting in this mixture are not evenly mixed together. And also more than one phase of particle is presenting in that mixture. The particles are not uniformly distributed and also the particles are larger size. In the case of hetero or homogeneous mixture, we are seeing that the particles cannot separate together, and also the particle size are very small. But in the case of heterogeneous mixture, can see that the particle size is larger and we can separate that particles easily. Here are some examples of heterogeneous mixtures, that is salt and pepper, cereal. Cereal is a type of grain, okay, like wheat and all. Then rocks, bag of assorted candy. These all are the examples for heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, we can learn more examples from our daily life. Okay, you can the next class you should find more examples of this heterogeneous mixtures and homogeneous mixtures. Okay, now we can see the difference at the molecular level of this heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. Okay, did you have any idea about this? The molecular size of the heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture? In this picture of heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture, we can see that, okay, in the case of heterogeneous mixture, what we can see? That the particles are not uniformly distributed, aren't you? The particles are not evenly distributed. And also these particles have a not even a good order. It's not have a order. Okay, orderless arrangement of the particles are presenting in this heterogeneous mixture. But we can see in homogeneous mixture, the particles are orderly arranged. The arrangement of the particles are orderly and also that particles are mixed well. Okay. So, this is the difference of molecular level in the case of heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. Okay, this is a follow-up activity for you. In this, I am giving pure substances, homogeneous substances and heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, in the next class, you should classify pure substances, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures from these examples. I am giving Kool-Aid, Fruit Loops cereal, sugar crystals, air, pizza, tea, copper wire, trail mix, cake batter. I am giving a different type of examples. You should classify this by using in the features of homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Okay. Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can ask with me. Okay. I hope you all understood the topics, that homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, you should find more examples of homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures from our daily life. Okay, thank you.